This week, we're talking about Miranda rights. But let's go beyond the words. What do those Miranda lines actually do for a suspect? The answer is a Miranda warning is only required when a custodial interview is happening. Every line in the warning is tied to what happens at that moment. Today, we're breaking down the exact Miranda script line by line and discussing what legal right each one triggers and why none of it applies outside interviews when a suspect is in custody. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with As Cops in Arizona. First, the trigger. Miranda only activates during custodial interrogation. So here's the definition of custody. It's when a reasonable person wouldn't feel free to leave. Next is interrogation. This involves questions or conduct reasonably likely to elicit an incriminating response. No custody, no Miranda required. No interrogation, no Miranda required. Both must be present for Miranda to be required. Now, the Arizona standard Miranda warning. Let's go line by line. 1. You have the right to remain silent. This directly explains the Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination. It tells the suspect that they can refuse to answer any question at any time, even after starting to talk. Now for the legal effect. Silence cannot be used against the suspect in court, with rare exceptions. Now number 2. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. This is a due process notice. It means no tricks. Statements are admissible if voluntarily given after waiver. Here's the legal effect. It puts the suspect on notice that waiver equals admissible evidence. Number 3, you have the right to an attorney. This advises of the Sixth Amendment right to counsel, post-charging, and Miranda prophylactic right, pre-charging. It means you can have a lawyer present during questioning, and questioning must stop until one arrives if you ask. The legal effect is an invocation of the right to counsel triggers an immediate cutoff of further questioning. Now number 4, if you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. This triggers the indigent defense right. It means there's no cost barrier. A court will provide counsel to a suspect if they qualify. The legal effect, it ensures waiver is knowing and not based on financial pressure. Number 5, do you understand these rights? Or, having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us? This triggers a voluntary, knowing, and intelligent waiver. It means silence is not a waiver. It must be an explicit yes or conduct showing intent. The legal effect. This is important because a prosecutor must prove affirmative waiver beyond a reasonable doubt. Now, what if the suspect invokes? If a suspect says, "I want a lawyer," all questioning stops permanently unless they reinitiate. "I want to remain silent." Questioning stops, but can resume later under some circumstances. Now, here are quick exceptions. All outside custodial interrogation. Public safety. Think immediate questioning to stop crime, render aid, or secure a scene. Routine booking questions. Voluntary statements. Non-custodial contexts. Think traffic stops, Terry stops, and consensual encounters. So, the big takeaway. Miranda is only triggered by custodial interviews. Every line in the warning is a constitutional off-ramp, but it's only required when both custody and interrogation are occurring. So here's what you can remember. No custody equals no need for a Miranda warning. Custody and questions equals read it, record it, honor it, because one misread in the wrong moment can cause the suppression of the suspect's statement. One unnecessary reading of Miranda when you didn't have to, harmless, but you should know when Miranda warnings are required. And if you're the one hearing those words, if you're read Miranda, As Cops members, call immediately. Our legal plan covers invocation strategy from the first second. If you're read Miranda, it's not an internal affairs interview. Stop. Call a lawyer. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the like button for the video, subscribe to the channel, and please turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow. Be on the lookout for new videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.
Call back for 86. Negative.